Okay, so now it has started. Hear the wind. I think we're gonna lose power soon, honey. I think it's maybe a couple seconds before we lose power here. It is about maybe 6:30. We've been lucky, we've had power all day long, so we'll see what's gonna happen, but you can hear the wind.
Baby, come here. Look how crazy it is over here. Come here. Very windy. Come on, go.